I welcome you to the next video on microwave testing. This is a method to non-destructively test parts made from glass fiber reinforced plastic or other non-conducting material. If you want to learn about applications of this method, then you're right here. Microwave testing is not only used to detect defects as pores, for example, in technical parts. It is also used to check geometrical dimensions. Today we see an example for this. It is a millimeterwave test system for the inline quality control during the extrusion of plastic pipes. The system measures the wall thickness and the inner and outer diameter and also the ovality, and that regardless of material and temperature. It can also be used for an automatic control of the wall thickness. In a second, I will show you links to two videos which describes this system. The first video is more directed to principal aspects, and the second one more to practical aspects. You can find both links also in the description of this video. Here in the top right corner, you now see the link to the video with the more principal aspects. And here now you see the link to the video with the more practical aspects. I would like to ask you for the following. If you know about further videos describing the industrial applications of microwave testing, then please let me know. I would like to include them into this series of videos. So far for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.